Unlock the hidden stories within your data by making your spreadsheets talk to each other with automatic color changes. Today, we're diving into a powerful Excel trick: how to make a cell's color automatically change based on the value in another cell, creating dynamic visual links that scream insights. First, select the cells you want to color. This will be the cells that show the color change in our example. We'll select the actual sales column, starting from the second row. Now, head up to the Home tab on your Excel ribbon, look for the Conditional Formatting button and click it. This is where the magic happens. From the drop-down menu, choose New Rule. This will open up the New Formatting Rule dialog box. In the New Formatting Rule box, the key is to select the option that says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This tells Excel to act based on a rule we'll define. Now, we need to enter our formula. Click inside the formula box, then click on the first cell in the column that controls the color. In our case, that's the first cell in the sales target column. Crucially, make sure to anchor the column with a $sign, like $2, but keep the row reference relative. Let's say we want these cells to turn green if the sales target is over 1,000. Our formula would look something like equals $2 greater than 1,000. You can adjust this number in comparison to your needs. Once your formula is in, click the Format button. This opens the Format Cells dialog box. Navigate to the Fill tab. This is where we choose the color that will appear when our formula is true. Choose the color you want for our over 1,000 feet target. A nice green is perfect. Click OK in the Format Cells dialog box. Then, click OK again in the New Formatting Rule box. Boom! Your first cell should now be colored according to your rule. Now, here's the real power. Copy this formatting to the rest of your actual sales column. As soon as you update the sales target values, the colors in the actual sales column will chase those targets, giving you instant visual feedback on performance. This technique is essential for fast data analysis and spotting trends at a glance.